This is Apache Open Office, not the Libre Open Office. Open Office has a variety of programs, software you can install or not install when you download it. I'm going to show you a variety of ways to do things in the software. This is the writer. I'm going to show you how to do a page count and page number. First you got to insert a footer. This is version 4.17 of Open Office. So you got to go up to the top to insert in that top toolbar, and you'll find halfway down footer. Click that and it'll put a bar at the bottom of the page. Then you got to go back up to insert and go to you could type in it anything you want in that bottom bar, such as how many pages there are. So you want to go back up to insert and go to fields, and there's page number and page count. You want page number. Page count just gives you the total amount of pages in your document. So if you're not sure, it's on the right side. When you scroll up and down, it'll tell you how many. Then you want to center it. That's up in the top toolbar. And as I said, you could just type in there whatever you want and it'll carry over to the next page. See, it's iterating 30. It's at 29. Next page is 30. You'll notice when I scroll up and down on the right, little yellow pops out from the little gray there on the side that shows page count total. It's 34. So you could underline that, bold it, italicize it. So I'll now insert a page count. So you go up to page count, to fields, down to page count. In the footer bar. So it says 34. So you can still type in this bar when you do that, but it's not going to change anything because it'll be 34. So the best thing you should do if you want to page count and page number is do both. So that's page count followed by page number, and now I'll put page number before page count. That way you won't mess it up if you think you had 34 pages and then you change something and then you don't, and your page count is wrong. So to insert a page number, you got to put a footer and then page number and page count in the fields under insert. The way you can do default formatting, whatever you've got your software set to, is up in the top there. If the text you're working on is a different font, if you put default, it'll change it to whatever your default setting is, and the size, if everything you've got is at 11 point or 12 point in Times New Roman. If you just hit default formatting, it'll change everything to your 12 point Times New Roman, or however you set it up. This is the colors. You can move that box around. This is setting the column count. 2, 3, 4. show you how to insert a table and a section and page numbering. So that's a table. When you do that, you get a box. You click the add a new row, delete a row, add a new column, delete a column. It's sort of like working with Microsoft Excel. OpenOffice has its own spreadsheet software too. So it's pretty simple. Work within it and add a column within a table. Like if you were doing legal lawsuit stuff and you wanted to have your name, plaintiff versus defendant, and then the name of the court on the other side, you would make a table and then split it with columns. Or you could kind of do the same thing with a section, which is basically the same as doing the footer insert. These are all basically ways to do the same thing, but table's a little bit different. That's why it's in its own option at the top. This is page numbering. Some legal stuff has to have the page numbers. So when you get in a lawsuit, you could be like, on page 200 I said this, or they said that. On page 200 is the law incorporated by reference, and page 200, line 200 of page 5, whatever it is. So this is a section. It's up there in the insert section. It's its own thing. That was the columns option. You can name the sections, and the sections will show up in the bottom right. You'll see it says section 2 when you're in it. And then you could put you can open up an option on the side which will show you like a directory and index of your different sections. So it could be, chapter 1 or chapter 2 or stuff like that. As like chapter 1 header, and then you could jump around to it. Or it could be count 1 of a lawsuit, count 2, each in its own section. So that's all it is for Apache OpenOffice. Pretty simple software to get around when you know what to do.